In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic fines with Tabby Payment and pay a traffic fine online in the UAE. To get started, open your browser and go to the official RTA website. This is where you can access driver services, including traffic fine payments. Make sure you're using the correct official site so you can complete the process safely and without confusion. Once the homepage loads, look for the section labeled Driver and Car Owner and click on it. This area contains the services related to vehicle ownership, licensing, and traffic-related matters. So that's where you'll find the fine payment tools. After that, scroll down through the page until you find the fines section. When you see it, click on Fines. This will take you closer to the page where you can review any outstanding penalties linked to your vehicle or traffic file. On the Fines page, look for the option called Check Your Fines and select it. This is the tool that allows you to search for your records before moving forward with payment. It's an important step because you need to confirm the exact fine details first. Next, choose how you want to search for your fines. You'll typically have the option to check by traffic file or by plate number. Pick the method that is most convenient for you. If you have your traffic file details ready, that can be a quick way to search. If not, using the plate number may be easier, depending on the information you have available. Once you've selected your preferred search method, enter the required number in the field provided. Take a moment to type it carefully, because even a small mistake can prevent the system from finding the correct record. Double check the digits before continuing. After entering the number, click on Search. The system will then look up any traffic fines associated with the information you entered. From there, you'll be able to review the results and continue through the payment process, including choosing Tabby if that payment option is available for your fine. As a quick tip, before making any payment, always review the fine details carefully to make sure everything matches your vehicle or traffic file. Also, if the page takes a moment to load, give it a few seconds, especially during busy times. That's it for this process. By following these steps, you can quickly locate your traffic fines online through the RTA website and move toward paying them in a simple and convenient way.